Hi, I'm Meher, and this is kind of like a reintroduction for those of you who have been watching my videos since the time I was posting in the seventh grade. Hello again, and for those of you who have just joined, hello to you too. Okay, a little bit of context. I started posting on YouTube when I was in seventh grade. It was the lockdown, and I was posting only because I was kind of idle and I wanted to try something new. And I kept posting for a good 2.5 years, and I really enjoyed it. But eventually, like other interests too, I kind of, lost interest in it, and I got busy with other things, especially high school exams and loads of other stuff. Now that high school's over, I finally realized that I really enjoyed posting videos on YouTube. I didn't really care about the metrics or the numbers, but I genuinely enjoyed yapping. I mean, that's literally the reason I'm recording again, right? I'll be starting college in a month, so a lot has changed. I'm posting a video after a very, very long time. And the thing is that this is going to be very different from everything I posted in the past. When I was in 7th and 8th grade, I used to post loads of skits, challenges with my sister, and book reviews because those were the things I was interested in back then. I'm still figuring out what I truly enjoy posting, and I'm still discovering myself every day. So I'm not really sure what you can expect on this channel, but I'm into tech right now. I love reading about economics. I like talking about the news and politics. So you can expect a lot of that here as well. But in general, I'm restarting YouTube because not only because I love yapping, but also because I feel like I would want to document the next 4 years of college. It isn't going to be a very rigid structure ki oh, I'm going to be documenting this event or this event or day in my life kind of things. I don't know what's gonna come. I don't know how I'm going to treat YouTube and treat college for the next 4 years, but whatever I do, I know I want to enjoy it to the fullest, and I know I want to truly be myself. So you will be seeing a lot of content which is close to my heart, which where I speak genuinely and where I speak with loads of passion, because I want to put out things which I genuinely would like to watch myself, honestly. And I think that's a pretty good introduction. I'll be starting Ashoka University in a week. Today is August 7th, and I'll be starting it on August 13th. It officially starts on 16th, but yeah, 13th is move-in. And I'm planning to study a Bachelor's of Science in Economics and Finance with a minor in either computer science or entrepreneurship. I haven't decided yet. I may just do a double minor because I find both those things interesting and I don't want to let go of any one of them. But this year, Ashoka's introduced some really cool things. Like this year, I'm pretty sure they have a minor in AI and data science, or a minor in just data science, and they have a minor in entrepreneurship and like one thing. I don't remember the exact name of that minor. But anyway, they have some really interesting courses and really interesting classes this year, and I'm looking forward to college. I have always been the kind of person who likes to do things other than academics. I think this was very evident in the last 2 years of high school, especially when, other than academics, I did loads of extracurricular activities, not because of not for the sole purpose of adding them to my resume or any specific, to get any specific gain out of it. I did them for fun. I genuinely enjoyed doing competitions. I enjoyed doing hackathons, and that's why I feel Ashoka is such a good fit for me, because I know I'll have exposure to loads of those activities there too. I'm really looking forward to it. Loads of my friends from school are coming there too, and I'm genuinely excited to spend the next 4 years in Sonipat. Um, I think that's a pretty good introduction. Oh, I worked on loads of projects when I was in high school, and I'm still working on one with my friends. And there'll be a whole different video about it. Me talking about the journey, our journey of working on it, and everything we achieved and everything we learned. Um, that's pretty much it. I feel like I've said a lot of ers in this video, but anyway, that's it. I'm not gonna make any cuts to it because I'm trying to be as candid as possible. Uh, bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for those of you who watched me in 7th grade, you know this used to be my outro. Toodles!